Take a pause, step back and think about it, folks. $2 billion. That's how much Australians nationally were scammed out of last year. And the main ones being online shopping, romance scams, employment scams where people were trying to seek a better job to make ends meet. Other creative ones like hi mum and dad on their mobile, text message, I've lost my old number, this is my new one. Parents were paying their kids, well, not their kids, some scammer, a fake bill via gift cards or a dodgy app. Honestly folks, these scammers are so creative. Pause, take a step back. If you're not sure, go and ask someone, alright? Because the last thing you need is during this harsh time is something like that happening. I've known people that have been affected by these. On the flip side of the coin, when I was in the military, money laundering gangs from Russia, romance scams, people falling for it and they're laundering tens of thousands into somebody's UK account, you know, part of some bloody drug ring or something. You know, I've also known about people that have been dropped a fake link and then a call followed up from what's meant to be a reputable company. Yeah, we've seen you've been having difficulty with your account, clicking this link, we can help you out. Next thing, phone is cloned, bank app opens up, cleaning their bank account out. Yeah, just drop it into conversations, folks. Raise awareness. It's always going to be about, but more so through harsh times, the social engineering will be quite clever and it'll try to get you out of your hard-earned money, all right? Because you just make that knee-jerk reaction when you want to actually get some money to get by, and I don't like to see it, especially when it's into the billions of dollars, folks. It's actually going up, so it has since 2021. So yeah, raise awareness, folks. I'll leave that one with you, and I will wish you all the best. Take care and good luck.